So today I'm reviewing this SmallRig Desk Mount for table, and it's also actually adjustable, so it could become 15-inch tall, or we can unscrew it and it becomes 35-inch tall. And the weight capacity on this desk mount is up to 6.6 pounds, and it could be perfect for like light or camera or anything else. So it's also have a ball mount up right here, so you can easily adjust it. So yeah, let's actually mount it up and see how much we like it. It should be super easy to mount it up. I actually want to do it on the side right here. It's actually very easy to mount it up. I did it like right here on the side, and it also has a protection pad underneath, so you don't need to worry like about scratching your table or anything like that. And also right here, it's a rotating ball, so it will be very easy to use for your camera or your light. I love that you can also adjust it. You can make it more up, more down, depends on what you're using it for. You can also bring it closer to you with this ball mount. Yeah, I love it. Highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.